Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.